Hello guys, and welcome to my course. My name is Martin C. In this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your crypto into Nigerian Fiat currency using P2P. So you just go to P2P. Once you go to P2P, you click on transfer. So we want to transfer our USDT from your spot wallet to P2P wallet. So click on transfer. You click on transfer, you see from P2P wallet to spot, so you swap it back. So it's going to be from spot to P2P. So click on this. What are we looking at is BUSD. So click on BUSD. Once you click on BUSD, amount of BUSD you want to withdraw. So if it's all, just click on max. Then all will show here. But if you are not withdrawing max, click on it, open it, and type the amount. So in this case, I'm going to withdraw 50 BUSD. So click on transfer. I'm transferring 50 BUSD. So it says P2P trading. So you have successfully transferred your assets to your P2P wallet. Start trading now. So I click on P2P trading. It will take me to trading. So we have two options here. We have the Express. We have the normal P2P. So the Express will enable Binance to match you with, available buyer which is ready to buy at your price. So we're going to use Express payment. So what are we selling? We are selling BUSD, not USDT. So go to BUSD. So you see now, my available BUSD is 50. So we are going to at the rate of 760. So let's see how much they are selling in the normal market. Let's see, sell at 7. Okay, these guys are selling at 760. 760. At an average of 760. So let's see what Express is showing. So okay, I'm selling. So the reference, let's see how it goes. Max, once you click on max at 760, reference price is 760. So once you click on, it says sell with 0 fee. So we are selling with 0 fee. So I'm selling my 50 BUSD. So I click on 50 BUSD, click on sell to match me with the available person that is willing to buy at that moment. So bank transfer 494 Nigerian Fiat 760 494 best offer. Okay, it's a best offer is 494. So let's go back to the normal P2P and see the best offer there for my price. So I'm selling. Remember I said 494. So we're not selling at Express. Let's use the normal. So if I'm selling to Hatchback, it's buying at 760, which is up to what I'm to sell. So I'm going to use this guy 760, sell to him. So click on all my BUSD. So you see, I'm selling at 760, all my BUSD. So I'll choose my payment method. Okay, payment method not supported. Okay. So by Fiat. Okay, this guy only accepts crypto. So you're going to transfer naira to me. So I'm not interested in that. So let's see those that are willing to accept my bank transfer. Oh, you can see they've already modernized the whole process. Before it appears at the right hand side, but now it's appearing at the left hand side. Nigerian Finance Fiat. So let's try buy from this guy. Zach is online. So let's see if he accepts such. Doesn't accept. So you can see this guy accepts naira Fiat. So we're looking for the ones that accept bank transfer. Okay, this guy accepts bank transfer 495. But his price is high, 50, 494. Okay, you see, 494, right? 494. So let's see Express and see what Express is going to give us. 496, it has increased. So we're selling all our BUSD. So click on sell. So I'm going to choose, I have 3 payment methods, so I'm choosing the first one. So once I click confirm sales, so I'm going to confirm sales. You see that Binance matched me with the price, or this buyer that's, matches my order. So guys, you can see that the buyer have already made payment, and he has marked the order completed. So we're going to release the crypto. We're going to allow Binance to release the fund to the guy. So all we need to do, I'm closing this. This is a message platform. The message, there was a chat, option there. So what we just need to do now is we want to click, since we already accepted that this guy has made payment. I've checked my account balance. The money is there, 24,700 naira. So I'm going to click confirm receipt. So I'm going to confirm the receipt that this payment has been received by me. So ensure that you check your bank account using your mobile app or any medium you are using to check, to be sure that that money hits your account before you confirm that payment has been made. Else, it will be very difficult for you to appeal that on Binance appeal. So all I'm going to do now, I confirm that the payment is successfully received with correct amount and sender information. So I click confirm. So once I click confirm, I click on send code for verification. So a code will appear. So I want to fill. So once I want to fill, I click on submit. So you see, successfully sold. So my 50 BUSD has been successfully sold to naira, and the amount sent to my bank account. So please and please, this also applies to those that are selling buying as well. When you are buying any coin through naira to naira or P2P, make sure that you don't add anything related to crypto as your description, because if you do that, you put your account on risk of being banned by CBN and the bank you are operating. So ensure you don't do that. Thank you so much. So that's where we bring the class to an end, or the lecture to an end. So if you want to leave a review or rate the seller, so I'm going to click on positive rating. So I leave a comment. You want to leave a comment, you can stay anonymous. So say fast delivery, awesome buyer. So that's all. Click on leave comment. So your comment is there, right? So click on done, and voila, order completed. So this transaction has been completed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to click the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you share to your friends, share to those that are still finding it difficult to withdraw their crypto. So thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial. God bless you. Bye.